happens when I mix the color ice cubes. First, we need an ice cube tray, and we need a full color, and we need water. First, we need to pour the water in each boxes in the tray. Next, we need to add the food colors. I'll mix red because my favorite color. My favorite colors is red and blue and purple. My most favorite color is purple. Do that. Then this. We need to put this tray of food colors in the refrigerator. And you need to wait until, I don't know, I'll say, few hours. Our color ice cubes are ready, see? What does red and yellow make? Let's see. Oh, it's orange. See? Orange. Now, let's see what blue and red makes. It's green. See? It's green. Now let's see what let's see what blue and yellow makes. So cold. So it's light green. I think it's almost green. It's green. When I make a blue and yellow color, it makes green. Oh, I'm getting the red ice cube again. Because what if I mix red, yellow, and blue? That's interesting. Let's do it. I love how cute it is. Yeah. It's green again. What I found is when we mix red, yellow, and blue, it will make a new color. And red, and yellow equals yellow. I mean orange. I'm so dizzy and cold. And blue and yellow makes, what is it? You know, green. You saw it. Now this video is done. Please subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time. Bye. Watching you.